Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Sun Academy. I am Naresh Sir. Today in this lecture we are going to solve a question of unit cost in cost accounting for SYBCom. As you can see, the given question is a firm manufactured and sold 10,000 desktop screens in the year 2020. Its summarized accounts are as follows. That means trading and profit and loss account is given. To debit side, it is a cost of material 3 crore 20 lakh, labor 1 crore 80 lakh, manufacturing charges 1 crore 20 lakh, and sales is 9 crore. In this way, GP is 2 crore 80 lakh. While profit and loss account shows to salary 80 lakh, rent rates 40 lakh, selling expenses 60 lakh, and in this way, net profit is 1 crore. Now for the year 2021, it is estimated that output and sales would be 15,000 units. Material cost will rise by 20%, whereas labor 10%. Manufacturing cost will rise in proportion to the material and labor's cost combined. Selling cost will rise by 5%, rent will rise by 10%. Profit is to be kept so as 25% on cost. Prepare both sheets. Now students, first of all we will prepare a cost sheet, then after we will prepare tender sheets. So to prepare cost sheet, first of all it has been said that 10,000 units were manufactured. First of all we will take material. Material is 3 crore 20 lakh. Then after labor, that is 1 crore 80 lakh. So this will be 3, 4, 5 crore. This is prime cost, manufacturing charge are thereafter. So this is no other direct expenses are given. Here 3200 will be the cost of per unit material. 12340 is to be erased. Then after 1800 will be the per unit cost of labor. These two figures will be divided with the manufactured units. So per unit cost is, prime cost is 5,000. Then after comes factory overheads. Or you can say manufacturing charges. Those are 1 crore 20 lakh. So 1200 will be the cost of factory or work cost. 66 crore 20 lakh, and per unit work cost will be 6200. Then after comes office overheads. Or you can say administration charges. In that is salary. Salary is 80 lakh. So 800 will be the per unit. And rent rates are 40 lakh. So that will be 400. And 7,400 will be per unit cost, which is office cost. So 7 crore 40 lakh is office cost. Then after we have to add selling and distribution or selling overheads. So selling charges are 60 lakh and per unit will be 600. So 8,000 is per unit cost, and that is 8 crore. Here in the question 6 lakh is given, but that is 60 lakh. So this is total cost, and sales is 9 crore. That means 9,000. So profit will be 1 crore and per unit will be 1,000. In this way, cost sheet will be prepared. Now we come to tender sheet. 15,000 units are to be manufactured. First of all, we will take to material. Material is per unit as per 3,200. Don't write to, because it is a statement, not account. We have to increase material cost 20%. So if we increase 20%, that will be 640, and per unit will be 3,840 multiplied by 15,000. 3,200 plus 20% into 15,000, that is 5 crore 76 lakh. Then after comes labor. Labor per unit is 1,800, and that is to be increased by 10%. So 180, that means 1980. Now 1980 into 15,000 will be 2 crore 97 lakh. Plus 5 crore 76 lakh. So in this way 8 crore 73 lakh will be the prime cost, and per unit will be 5,820. Then after manufacturing charges are to be increased in the combined cost of labor and material. So on 5,000 it was 1,200. So on 5,820, one 1396.8 into 15,000, that is 2 crore 9 lakh 52,000, and this will give us work cost. So 10 crore 82 lakh 52,000 is works cost, and per unit will be 0.88 5820 plus 1396.8 7216.8 is per unit work cost. Then we come to office overheads. For that is being said that rent will rise by 10% while salary will be same per unit. Salary is to be kept as it is 800 into 15,000, that will be 1 crore 20 lakh. And rent earlier was 400 but it is increasing 10%, so 440 will be the charge of rent per unit, and in this way 66 lakh will be the total amount of rent. Twelve crore 68 lakh 52,000 is the cost, and 8400 16.8 is office cost. Then after selling expenses or selling overheads, those are increased 5%. Earlier it was 600 plus 5%. Now it will be 630. 630 into 15,000, 9 lakh 45 94 lakh 50,000. Now total cost will be 1 crore 20 12 crore 68 lakh. So 13 crore 63 lakh. $2,000, and per unit will be 9,046.8. Now 25% profit is to be kept. So 2261.7 will be the profit per unit. This is total cost and this is profit. Now amount will be 3 crore 39 lakh 25,500 plus 13 crore 63 lakh 2,000. So 17 crore 2 lakh 27,500 will be the total cost, and sale, and per unit sale will be 11,308.51. In this way, tender sheet is to be prepared. First, we prepared cost sheet, took material and labor, divided by 10,000 and we got the per unit cost. In this way, prime cost came to 5,000 per unit and 5 crore total amount. Then after we have to add office overheads which will give us work cost, then after factory overheads, then after office overheads which will give us office cost, then after selling and distribution overheads which will give us and total cost. Now difference between sales and cost will give us a profit. Then after we will come to tender sheet. For tender sheet, first of all, it has been said that material cost is to rise 20%. So in 3200 we will add 640 and per unit will be 3840. Multiplying it with 15,000 we will get 5 crore 76 lakh as a cost of material total cost. Then after labor, it is said that labor cost will rise by 10%. So 1800 plus 10% 1980 is per unit labor, multiplied with 15,000 will give us 2 crore 97 lakh as a total labor cost. Now prime cost is 5820 per unit while 8 crore 73 lakh as a total prime cost. Then after, if we come to manufacturing charges, it has been said that manufacturing charges will rise in combined cost of material and labor. So combined cost of material and labor was 5,000. On 5,000 it was 1200. So on 5820 it will come to 1396.8. Multiplying it with 15,000 we will receive 2 crore 9,52,000 as a manufacturing charges. Then after, if we come to office overheads, salary will remain as it is 800 into 15,000, 1 crore 20 lakh, while rent will increase 10%. So 400 plus 10%, 440 into 15,000 will 66 lakh. This gave us office cost. Then after, selling overheads were to rise 5%. So earlier it was 600, now adding 30 as a 5% will give 630 into 15,000 will give us 9 lakh 40 94 lakh 50,000 as a total selling overheads, and total cost 9,046.8. Now we have to add 25% as a profit. It has been said that on cost, so profit came to 2261.7, and in this way total sale price came per unit as 11,308.5. Now if we multiply it with 15,000 will give us a total cost. This question you are not going to find anywhere, because in the books you will see figures only maximum in lakhs, but whenever you go in practical life in any manufacturing unit, if it is a medium manufacturing unit, you are not going to see figures in lakhs, you are going to see figure in crores. So if you practice these kind of sums, the bookish sums will be very easy for you, because you are practicing on higher figures, so lower figures will be very easy for you to calculate. Now if you are still not following us, do follow if you want to learn good questions, unique questions and different questions. If you haven't still subscribed, you should subscribe, do comment, and you must share link to others also, so other can get benefit.